JapanesePage.com, beginning Japanese phrases.
This week's word is
見ませんか
Wouldn't you like to see? Repeat after the speaker.
見ませんか見ませんか
This is a polite way to ask if someone would like to see something such as a movie or TV or anything that can be seen with you. Literally, this is asking in the negative like, wouldn't you like or why don't we? Example sentence.
もしよかったら一緒に映画を見ませんか
If it's all right, why don't we watch a movie together?
もしよかったら一緒に映画を見ませんかもしよかったら一緒に映画を見ませんかもしよかったら一緒に映画を見ませんか
Do you remember what
見ませんか
means? Wouldn't you like to see? Now, let's break this sentence down.
もし
If,
よかったら
good if,
一緒に
together with,
映画を見ませんか
movie, direct object marker, won't see.
もしよかったら一緒に映画を見ませんか
それじゃあまたね。